Okay, we're going to change topic now. We've got a new topic to look at, and that is quadratic equations. You can see it at the top here to go with all our other topics from this year. And to kick things off with quadratic equations. By the way, quadratic equations, if you're not sure, quadratic equations are power 2 equations. So that means that the highest power in an expression or an equation is 2, so x squared. So that's a quadratic equation. So we're pretty quickly going to get into quadratics and start to factorize and solve and all that sort of stuff. But the first piece of work, first skill that we're going to just test you on is one that's been tested before, and that's just expanding. And we actually doing surge was an excellent build-up to this because we were doing some expanding with surge. Now, expanding really just refers to multiplying out brackets, just removing brackets. So let's look at some examples and see how we go. So I'm just going to explain the process. Like I said, this should be a revision for you. It's not new content. Okay, so with this example here, minus 3 bracket x minus 5, what we do in this case is we've got one term out the front of a two-term bracket. So we just need to make two multiplications. Minus 3 times x equals minus 3x. And then it's minus 3 times minus 5. So we've got to be really careful here that we pick up the signs. So this is something we've talked about recently. Negative times a negative is a positive, so it's plus 15. Remember the sign goes with the term. This is not 5 here, this is minus 5. This is not 3, it's minus 3. So it's minus 3 times minus 5, signs the same, positive result, minus 3x plus 15. Let's keep moving. Let's do another example here. 2x outside of 1 minus x. What does that get us? 2x times 1. That's just 2x. 2x times minus x, right? Positive by a negative. So this is a minus result. 2x times x, 2x squared. Can I encourage you now to, as I write down each of these examples, do the example yourself, because this is revision, it's not new work. Do it yourself in your notes, because then you're getting ahead of the game and you're doing a little bit of thinking, and that's going to make you learn this stuff a whole lot better. So as I write the question down now, 2/7 outside of 14x plus 3. Do this expansion yourself, then press play and see if we get the same result. Okay, 2/7 times 14. Okay, well that's 1/7 of 14 is 2, so 2/7 of 14 is 4, so that's 4x, and 3 times 2/7 is 6/7. So 4x plus 6/7 there. So if you want to, that 2/7 times 14x, my thinking there was 1/7 is 2, so 2/7 is 4. And with this one here, 3 times 2/7, I think of that as 3 over 1 times 2 over 7, which is equal to 3 by 2 is 6, 1 by 7 is 7, so 6/7. That's how we get our result there. And I've just explained the 4x. Okay, go to part D, and this one's a double bracket expansion, so x by 2x minus 1 minus x by 3 minus x. Right, so we've got a double set of brackets to expand. Lots of practice for us. X times 2x, 2x squared. If you haven't done this question yet, pause me please right now and do it. Okay, now x times minus 1 minus x. Right, these are things that are easily got wrong. Right, we've expanded the first set of brackets. Let's move over. This is minus x times 3, which is minus 3x. You get what I'm doing here is I'm just working out what the result is. Minus x times minus x. That's positive, so I write plus x squared. Now I just need to collect my like terms. I've got 2x squared plus x squared, so that's 3x squared. I've got minus x minus 3x, that's minus 4x. So we're all done there. Okay, example E. Now this is a binomial product, so x plus 5 by x plus 4. We did some of these with the surge. Remember, it's like FOIL, first outside, inside, last. Just to remind you, there are 4 pairs of products we need to find here. So firstly, x by x, x squared, x by 4, positive 4x, x by 5, positive 5x, 5 by 4, positive 20, all positive, x squared. Now 4x plus 5x, that's 9x, 20, and that's that. Next example, x minus 4 all squared. I suggest here that we straight away rewrite this as x minus 4, x minus 4, and then just use this same FOIL technique. X by x, x squared. X by minus 4, minus 4x. Minus 4 by x, minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 4, plus 16. What do we need to do now? We need to collect like terms. We've got minus 4x minus 4x. So that is minus 8x. Yeah, that's just, we're adding these, starting at minus 4, subtracting 4, we've got minus 8, plus 16 on the end. Okay, and we're doing lots of examples here. Got a couple more to do. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. These are called difference of perfect squares. So you can see we've got the same terms, 2x plus 1, but it's not 2x plus 1 here, it's not a perfect square, it's the difference of 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. We get an interesting result here. 2x by 2x equals 4x squared. Alright, now what we find here, and I'm going to code these in red, with those two expansions we get 0. Look at this, 2x by minus 1. That's minus 2x. I'll keep that in red. Minus 2x. 1 by 2x plus 2x. So we're always going to, these are always going to cancel each other out. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So the red terms cancel each other out, and we've got 4x squared minus 1 as our result. Okay, moving down the page. Example H, another type of FOIL question, 2x minus 1, 3x plus 5. We spend a lot of our time in quadratics around these sorts of expressions, so we need to get really good at expanding. So 2x by 3x is 6x squared, 2 by 3 is 6, x by x is x squared. Okay, let's go outside. 2x times 5, 10x, minus 1 times 3x, minus 3x. Minus 1 times 5, minus 5. That's just, typically here we've just got two terms in the middle that we can put together. 10x minus 3x is 7x, minus 5 is our result. Okay, 2 more to do. Just trying to bring in different types of questions. So again, as soon as I write this down, have a go at it, please. X minus 3x minus 2 is so much better if you're doing the questions yourself. Okay, in this case I'm just going to hold the 2 and I'm going to do my FOIL on these two. So it'll be x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Okay, I'm going to hold the 2 there. I'm going to tidy up the inside the brackets first. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5x plus 6. And finally the 2 will just run through 2x squared minus 10x plus 12. What happened there? I just went 2 through each of those 3 terms. So there's our result. Last example. Actually, I'll go down the page for J because it's quite a long one. X plus 2, x plus 4. So expansion there. And then minus x minus 2, x minus 5. So minus x minus 2, x minus 5. Now remember what we've got is this times this, minus this times this. So we have to do our order of operations correctly. Let's do this expansion first, our first multiplication, x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. So that's that product there. Minus, now I'm going to work out what this product is, but I'm going to have to put them in brackets. So I might bracket both sets actually because I'm working this out, which is here. Now I'm working this product out, this times this, x squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. Okay, so let's now, the effect of this bracket, I'm subtracting this whole bracketed term, is now when I remove the brackets, it's like having a minus 1 out the front here and multiplying everything inside here by minus 1. That will change the sign of everything. But before I do, I'm going to just collect my like terms here and here. So x squared plus 6x plus 8 minus x squared minus 7x plus 10. Okay, so now let's remove the brackets. Minus x squared plus 7x minus 10. Do you see what happened there? Minus 1 times x squared. Minus 1 times minus 7x. Minus 1 times 10. Okay, finally, we collect like terms. X squared minus x squared, gone. 6x plus 7x, 13x. 8 minus 10, minus 2. Okay, that's enough examples. Let's go to exercise 5A when we meet on Thursday in class. I'll see you then.